Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll look at the key features of the Philips HP8120 hairdryer. The hairdryer has a foldable handle for easy portability. It features a thermal protection mode which helps dry the hair without damaging the roots or scalp. The product comes with a flat cord that prevents tangles. It also has a nozzle for a more directed airflow. The hairdryer also has a reinforced joint to prevent cable breakage. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.